Honey. Is it that bad? Yeah? What was it? What was it? Come on. You gotta tell us. What was it? No. No. Come on. Stop shaking. Was it really that funny? Really now? It was just penis and microphones. And that makes you laugh like a maniac. Can you breathe? This is what I get to see every time, and I love it. She can't breathe, she's red in the face. We're done.